Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV.
Hello, Lodies. Good day.
It's another good day, isn't it? It's another Sticker Monday. That's right, we have lots to share today, huh? You gonna hold that one up for us? This one is Patents on the Go. Yeah. And then we have two from our favorite people.
Wait.
Shout out to friend Cindy from Barefoot Adventures. They get a special shout out because they were our very, very first YouTube friends.
Backwards.
And we really appreciate all the help they did getting us our first 100 subscribers. They are really neat people. And then we have Jackal Travel. Hold it still, please. You keep shaking it and then they get all dizzy and they can't see what it is. And then we have RV on the Wayside. That one just came in today. Thanks, Donovan and Jody. Nursing Our Travel Bug. Woohoo! We love them. K&R Destinations. What's up, Kyle and Ryan? Thank you so much. It got here. Please don't shake it. Honey, they can't see when you do that. And then two from Technay. It's Ventures with Technay and RV Truck Country. That's them. What do we say?
Like, leave a bell,
Subscribe.
and bye.
Oh, wait. You gotta say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, tell them thank you, not
Thank
me.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you, Roadies. See you later. Bye.